Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings here. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by liking.